Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with Numeric Keypad, a full-size wireless keyboard designed for ultimate portability and productivity. This innovative keyboard unfolds to a standard size of 13.5 by 4.5 inches, featuring quiet scissor-switch keys and a seamless metal hinge, making it perfect for any workspace. With the ability to connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.1, you can effortlessly switch between your iPad, phone, tablet, or laptop, enhancing your workflow without any delay. The keyboard also includes a numeric keypad for quick calculations and multimedia shortcuts, powered by a robust 500 mAh battery that lasts up to 150 hours on a single charge. Customize your typing experience with adjustable backlighting, offering 7 vibrant colors and 4 brightness levels to suit any environment. Crafted from lightweight yet durable ABS and PU materials, this keyboard is not only elegant but also practical, folding down to fit in your briefcase with ease. Complete with a phone stand and velvet storage bag, the Samsers keyboard is your perfect travel companion, combining style, convenience, and functionality in one compact package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.